Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into two super interesting concepts in mathematics, coprime and twin prime numbers. Okay, first up, let's talk about coprime numbers. So, what are coprimes? In simple words, if the only common factor of two numbers a and b is 1, then a and b are coprime numbers. Let's take number 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 and 3 are coprimes because 2 has only factor 1 and 2 and 3 has two factors 1 and 3. So greatest common factor here is 1. Okay, if I take another example like 28 and 29. So 28 has factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. And 29 has only two factors 1 and 29. So here we can see 1 is the only common factor in both numbers 28 and 29. So 28 and 29 are coprimes. But if I take another example like 8 and 10. So 8 has factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. But 10 has factors 1, 2, 5 and 10. So we can easily observe 1 and 2 both are common factors in number 8 and 10. So we can say 8 and 10 are not coprime. Okay? Let's talk about the properties of coprime numbers. Okay? So properties of coprime numbers are here. So we will take a look all of them one by one. Okay? So let's start. So let's take an example. Two numbers 2 and 3. So 2 have common factor 1 and 2 and 3 1 and 3. So HCF, what would be the HCF and what would be the LCM? So here HCF is 1. So HCF of two coprime number is always 1. Okay. If I talk about the LCM, so LCM would be 1 into 2 into 3. So it would be 6. So we can see LCM is 6 and the product of 2 and 3 is also 6. So we can say LCM of two coprime is always their product. Now what's next? 1 forms a coprime number pair with every number. So it means suppose we take number 17. So 17 has two factors 1 and 17. So every number always has factor 1. Okay. If it is prime or composite. Okay. The sum of two coprime number is always coprime with their product. It is very interesting. So sum of 2 and 3 is 5 and product of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay. So sum and product of both number always are coprime numbers. It means 5 and 6 are also coprime. Okay. 2 and 3 are coprime. So addition of the 2 and 3 and the product of 2 and 3, 5 and 6 are also coprime numbers. Okay. Now what's next? Two prime numbers are always coprime. So we already know like 17 and 13. So these numbers are always coprime because they always has common factor 1. Now what's next? All pairs of two consecutive numbers are coprime numbers. So if we take two consecutive numbers like 2 and 3, so these are coprime. If we take another number like 5 and 7, 5 and 6, so these are coprime number. Okay. So what's next? Twin prime numbers. So what is twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers are prime numbers that have a difference of 2 between them. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Okay, so let's understand what is the meaning of this line. If you have a pair of prime numbers and the difference between them is exactly 2, then they are called twin primes. Let's take example 3 and 5. Okay, so we can see 3 and 5 difference is 2 and 5 and 7 difference is 2. Okay, we take number 7 and 11. So 7 and 11 difference is 4. So 11 and 7 are not twin prime numbers. But if we take 17 and 19, so we get difference 19 minus 17 is equals to 2. So 19 and 17 are twin prime numbers. Okay, that's it for today. So one question for your practice. Can you find two numbers between 1 and 10 that are coprime? Okay, please answer this question in the comment section, and thank you for catching that.